Hi friends, I hope you're having a great day. It's a rainy day where I am, which is usually my sign to relax and unwind, be a total homebody, but today I decided to get my home in order first. When my house feels like it's in disarray, it's usually a reflection of my inner world, and today is one of those cases. I have a lot of deadlines coming up, expectations of me, some that I've put on myself and some that other people are expecting, and I just need some dedicated time to clear my space so that I can clear my mind. So here in a little bit, this will be a mostly silent vlog, a time to just tackle a few to-dos around the house to help with my headspace. So feel free to choose a task or two to do along with me, or just enjoy the vibes. Either way, I'm glad you're here.